Hello everyone, I'd like to show you my 125 gallon reef tank. It's a 6-foot long tank that I established in January. Been keeping reef tanks for about 10 years now. This particular tank has a yellow tang in it, some clownfish, a firefish, a couple royal grammas. I've got a powder blue tang that's in quarantine that's going to be going in there pretty soon. I'm building up the fish really slowly. I'd like to add a lot more corals too, but I'll go ahead and show you what I have right now. I have a mixed zoanthid rock here. Also has some purple zinnia or something on it. There's some more zoanthids with some Porites coral frag there. Here you can see one of my scarlet shrimp. I've got a couple of them. And my blue mushroom anemones. There's my yellow tang. There's a purple tip acropora. It's really grown bigger since I got it. It's hard to see in this light. It has really nice purple tips on it. And a couple war coral frags there. 2 different colors. I want them to go ahead and encrust that rock. I think it'll look really cool. Here you can see my 2 paddle tip brittle stars hanging out underneath the rock. Red-legged hermit crabs, which I've got quite a few in the tank. There's my clownfish. They like to hang around this orange plating Montipora. This thing has grown huge since I got it. I think they want to spawn in it, but they haven't done so yet. They're still juveniles. I've got a Palau green Nepthia. It's grown really big since I got it. And then a scrolling Montipora green. Oh, there went one of my royal grammas. Got a couple of those in there. There's my firefish. Here's a mixed rock here. It has black sponge on it with zoanthids. And a couple Hawaiian feather dusters. I've never had black sponge before. And you can see that little brittle star there. I got hundreds of brittle stars, a bunch of snails, crabs, and shrimp in the tank. There's my orange, or red, I should say, open brain coral. Really like to hand feed this thing. You can see a little tube worm coming out the back of that coral too. Lots of tube worms in the tank. And there's my frog spawn. It's starting to get big too. Not as big as I thought it would get at this stage, but it's pretty big. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there they are. There's the Nasser's snail tubes sticking out of the sand. They're waiting for food. There's another hermit crab. Oh, there's my peppermint shrimp back there hanging out. I had 4 or 5 of those things in there. This one here I think ate the other ones when they molted. This is a really big peppermint shrimp. Right there is one of my blue tuxedo urchins. I got a couple of those in the tank. I think those royal grammas are making a pair. I got them as juveniles. I got all my fish as juveniles. Let them grow out. My powder blue tang that's in quarantine will be in here soon. And there it is again in a faraway view. I wish it would come in a little bit better, but I'm using a camera phone to tape this. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.